The nominees for the 22nd Annual CISC Ontario Steel Design Awards in the category of Architecture are the Abilities Centre. Completed in 2012, user groups of the Abilities Centre wanted a facility that suppressed anything that might contribute to stigmatization. Rather, a building that's fully accessible, projecting strength, pride, and athleticism was desired. Steel provided the opportunity to create a shed building type, and through various geometries, a three-dimensional parabolic truss was formed, articulating a distinctive, bold, muscular form that has become the symbol and brand of the center. Environment 3, EV3, University of Waterloo. The need to create a building structurally independent of the existing structure, with spans in excess of 140 feet, carrying 2 stories of space. Steel was the only option. The majority of the structure could be manufactured off-site, and steel provided speed of assembly once on-site. The use of steel promotes an airy feeling in the spaces within, and provides an abundance of light penetration. The Front Street Bridge Project. Named the Puente de Luz by its designer, the Front Street Bridge Project is a pedestrian bridge spanning over Canada's busiest railway corridor. It could only be practically erected with a pre-assembled steel structure. Translating an art form into a practical, economical, and constructible full-scale bridge without diminishing the integrity of its artistic form made the Front Street Bridge Project a unique challenge. The Richard Ivey School of Business. Envisioned as a building that respects the past, yet projects a timeless, vibrant future, the new home of the Richard Ivey School of Business is a 270,000 square foot, 3-story quadrangle structure. The challenge was finding a structural solution for the complex geometric forms. Structural steel framing was chosen for a significant portion of the building, as it achieved the performance requirements while being as unobtrusive as possible. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. Located at the base of the CN Tower, Ripley's Aquarium of Canada is a 2-level aquarium to house marine and freshwater habitats from around the world. The complex geometry of this iconic structure made steel the optimum choice of building material, beautifully balancing strength with the appearance of lightness. Steel's unique flexibility proved to be invaluable throughout the design process. The Royal Victoria Hospital. To further enhance its services, the Royal Victoria Hospital in Barrie launched a project to double in size, with the vision of an inviting architectural showpiece to welcome patients and visitors. Steel proved to be ideal, as it offered the most flexibility to the architectural forms and allowed the designers to maintain smaller sections for the given spans. The Ryerson Image Centre, a former brewery warehouse in downtown Toronto, after housing the School of Image Arts for 50 years, was radically transformed. Instead of demolition, a sustainable design path was chosen to retain and reuse the existing steel structure. A new steel framework was used to create a box within a box. What was an aging and insular school building is now a vibrant and multifaceted centerpiece for Ryerson University. The Brampton Gateway Transit Shoppers World Terminal. Located at the intersection of Hurontario Main Street and Steeles Avenue, in what is considered the Brampton Gateway character area, the City of Brampton was keen to develop a modern gateway feature, and the selection of steel as the primary material provided the framework, forming the shape of the terminal, allowing for the modern aesthetic expressed in exposed galvanized and stainless steel elements. The Staircase House. The clients of the Staircase House wanted a contemporary home with a minimal material palette and sophisticated modern detailing throughout. A steel structure was selected to accommodate large open spans throughout the ground floor. The architect and clients decided to expose the steel structure in order to express it as an architectural feature, with the focal point being a suspended custom steel staircase with a cantilevered catwalk that leads to the second floor above. University of Windsor Ed Lumley Centre for Engineering Innovation. Designed to be a living building, slender steel sections were used to create a glass clearstory. 10-meter-high structural steel T-sections were designed as a grillage to optimize weights and distribute loads. No other material could have met the aesthetic and functional requirements. Also constructed of 19mm plate steel, the main stair of the Ed Lumley Center acrobatically leaps between levels. The slim profile and trapezoidal main support stringer gives a sculptural quality to each step by using custom profiled shapes. These are the nominees for the 22nd Annual CISC Ontario Steel Design Awards in the category of Architecture.